If you're like me, you dreaded going plant-based because you thought eating vegetables would be boring. I knew I needed to eat healthier. I knew I wanted to lose weight, but I just couldn't figure out how to eat more plant-based. Does this sound familiar? Hi there, my name is Anna, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some flavor combinations that'll not only help you eat more vegetables, but they're going to make those vegetables taste amazing. And I promise you that each one of these flavor combinations can be found in most grocery stores, won't take any time at all to put together, and not be expensive. And the bonus is that you're going to save a ton of time because there's no prep needed and no measuring. If you like this video, please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up, and also click subscribe to see more videos just like this. The first flavor combination is tahini and Bragg's. If you don't know what tahini is, it's kind of like a peanut butter but made with sesame seeds. If you can, try to get organic tahini. It'll be tastier. If you can't get organic, at least make sure there's no other ingredients in it, and you'll know that because it will separate. Tahini is one of those amazing, great fats that will stretch. So you can put water in tahini and it'll mix and emulsify. And Bragg's amino acids are actually like a soy sauce, except they're real. Most soy sauces on the market now are heat treated. They have MSG, flavors, and colorings added to make it taste like soy sauce. But in actuality, soy sauce is fermented. It's aged over time. That means it's got all of the probiotics in it. It's a really great healing food. The Bragg's amino acid won't have the tinny aluminum taste that most soy sauces do. It'll have more of a rich, smoky flavor. And when you combine tahini and Bragg's amino acids together, it creates a really rich, creamy sauce. I usually combine both of these ingredients together in a bowl and mix it well. You can add a splash of water in it to thin it out. This is great to drizzle over vegetables or to use in a stir fry. I'll sometimes put this in a cast iron skillet with the flame super low and stir it together, add water to keep thinning it out. And this makes a delicious savory spread to put on top of breads or vegetables. Flavor combo number 2, tomatoes, coconut cream, Thai spice, and lemon. The combination of these 4 ingredients is pretty spectacular. If you're making a vegetable soup, you can throw those ingredients in and it'll be delicious. You can mix up those ingredients in a bowl and pour that also over vegetables or a salad. You'll want the tomatoes to be cut small, so if you're buying it canned, make sure that you get crushed or diced tomatoes. And try and use fresh lemons. It'll give everything a bit of brightness. Just make sure you don't get any seeds in your soup stock. Number 3, olive oil, lemon, Bragg's apple cider vinegar, sea salt, and garlic. The combination of all of those make an amazing salad dressing. If you like things to be a little bit more acidic, you add more lemon. Less acidic, you add less. You could do the same thing with the vinegar, but all of those together make a delicious, fresh tasting salad dressing. Make sure your olive oil is organic and cold pressed. Try not to use white iodized salt. That has anti-caking agents in it and also bleach to make it white. A more flavorful salt like pink Himalayan salt or Celtic sea salt is a much better choice. Bragg's apple cider vinegar is a vinegar that's actually been fermented. It has all of the probiotics in it, and the flavor will give it a kind of sweet punch. This dressing is not something I suggest you use in cooking, but rather as a condiment after. Any kind of heating of these ingredients will damage the delicate nutrients within it. I use this dressing in my salads, and I've also drizzled it over steamed vegetables. Flavor combination number 4, Bragg's amino acids and maple syrup. This gives things a sweet, savory, smoky flavor. This is a delicious sauce to use as a marinade or to pour over things that are already cooked. I have used this for marinating tofu, and I've also poured it over stir-fry vegetables. Remember that the Bragg's amino acids is actually a fermented food product that'll give you extra probiotics for the day. If you can, look for a grade B organic maple syrup. It's a bit more nutritious than grade A. You'll pack in some extra nutrients. If you try any of these combinations, let me know. Put a comment in the section below. I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and click subscribe. You'll see my next video. Until next time, mwah, ciao.